It is I, Rami. They are afraid of you because their egos are afraid of Christ. The ego knows that it will be replaced by Christ, and it is acting like a trapped rat. You see, somewhere along the way, a natural product, the ego, became something it was never meant to be, something defiantly unmanageable, something that does not want to go away or be replaced. This has intensified and can explain the unexplainable, such as political polarization and the high level of anger across the globe. Egos are posturing and mobilizing. They are saying, in essence, we are the holy ones. It's those over there who are the problem. Save me, but they can and should be destroyed. Now, the ego does not know exactly who or what Christ is, and they don't know who they are talking to. Maybe they hope to pretend God in the sky is listening to them beg for salvation. The point is that the high level of fear in the human world is, in fact, a reaction to the presence of Christ. It's as if the wiring in their brains has gone haywire. The word irrational is appropriate. The level of irrational thought has shocked and disappointed the world, but it knows no limits. Christ, on the other hand, is the bastion of rational thought because it emanates from the Christ mind, the mind of God. As you live in the human world this week, being the blessing that you are, know that something is happening, something spectacular, and that something is the second coming of Christ, the return of sanity to an insane world. Everyone is welcome to our new world, and the only price of admission is to leave their small thoughts and identities behind. Have a great week ahead, Christ offices. Rami.